Jeez, a big one.
That's a good one. We got a good one. Amen. That's nice. Same as mine are bigger. Back them all in. Back them all in. Amen. Ain't going nowhere.
Woo! Yeah, this.
Nice, you guys. Solid fish here. Probably one of the better ones so far of the trip. Nice little early morning bite. I was just ripping through that shad wrap through there and saw him come up and nail it. It's pretty awesome. So yeah, let's get him back in. Nice little river smallie. Had to get a couple casts in, guys. Gotta go make some breakfast now. I'm starving. Good morning, everybody. Tyler here from TEAMCOFF. All of us are just now kind of getting up and moving. It's about 7 o'clock. Remy's getting some stuff lined up. I'm just getting some breakfast made. Sam's still in the tent getting ready for the day. So, as you guys saw, we were hitting this bank area quite a bit yesterday. We got here and we were just pretty excited. Pretty good spot. We were hitting a lot of fish. I think it was 5 species total. But today, we're not just gonna stay here in the same spot again and when you watch us fish that same exact bank. We're gonna be moving a couple miles up and down the river. Probably gonna be moving down a little bit first. Really hoping to find some bigger fish. Hoping to land into a big channel. A big bullhead would be cool. You know, even a big smallmouth would be awesome. Of course, a big bonus too would be hooking into a giant pike minnow. But you know, it's an endangered species, so we're not really gonna put our bets down on that. But we're just gonna keep finishing up some food, getting rigged up for the day, and then we'll be back with you. But yeah, really looking forward to an exciting day. Rem's over there screaming at Sam. All right, guys, wish us luck. Hopefully we land some big ones today. All right, guys, Remy's moving through there. Sam back there. And that's the jungle in front of me. It's not leisurely down here, but you know, that's all right. You gotta put in the work to get in these fish. Ugh. Cool. Woo. All right, guys, looks like we got our first pool here. Yeah, I'm gonna post up right here. Got one. Oh, shoot. Remy's on again, guys. Found another decent pool here. So guys, I got a 1/10 ounce weedless Titan tungsten Ned rig head on. Bama bug colored Kraken craw. It's the only color I have left. Had that really nice hit, missed it. Drag was probably a little loose. Jeez, Remy's crushing. I'm on. More channels. Pulling in these nuggets. Pulling in these nuggets, dude. I'm probably gonna move some. Oh my God. Jeez, dude. That wasn't a big fish, but that was a fish. Got it. Yep.
Come on, boys. Double up, me and T. Bass. Bass. Smaller gang.
Smaller game. Oh.
Oh yeah. Gotcha, boy. Come to Sam. Shouldn't have put you in the stream. That's a bass. Bass. Bass in the Carolina rig. They're getting bigger over here, it seems like. These bass are healthy, like you were saying, T. Say hi, buddy. Peace. Yeah, I got you, buddy.
Yeah, we needed a big one.
Yeah, Rem. Bass on the Carolina.
Bass. No channel. Not that one. Channel, baby. A little aggressive smallmouth. I knew there'd be one in that pile. All right, guys, just pulled him out of that pile right there. Little half pounder. Got another one. Cranking him out of that wood pile. A little bit bigger, maybe 3/4 pound, right in between 3/4 and half. Still small, but these smallies always put up a fight. That's what's awesome about them. Love him. Healthy guy too. Nice little chunky body for being so small. Look at that. It's awesome. Didn't realize I turned my GoPro off, guys. I thought I still had it on from the last catch, but tossed it in again. Got another small one. Yeah. Got it. Ripped them out, dude. You got to. They're deep in that wood. Well, no size yet, guys, but still getting some good ones. Some good, nice little fighters. Yanking them out. 3/16 Titan tungsten. Drag and drop. Weight. Texas rig. Yeah. All right, guys, just moving down. Sam and Remy over there, gonna be bottom fishing. It's a really deep pool right around this grass bend here. All the way around this bend, it's pretty deep. Nice little current going through it here. I'm guaranteeing there's some fish in here. Let's see if we can pull them out.
Oh, decent. Decent. Oh, he's big. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. You got a good one. Amen. Same as mine or bigger. Hey, come on in. Hey, come on in. Amen. Ain't going nowhere.
Woo, yeah, man.
That's way bigger than mine.
Yeah.
All right, I'm getting tapped too. That's a beast, man.
Oh my God. This is what I was waiting for all day.
Yeah, I'm on two. Double up.
Nice.
Not as good as Sam's, but hey.
Just need to be patient. Whew. That's a big one. Look at that, guys. It's huge. He feels like 3 pounds maybe. I don't know. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you.
This one came hidden in a drop, guys. Another cat.
Oh wow, on the drop?
Yeah, on the drop. Plenty of fish right today.
We're just getting the cats on the stringer right now, but compared to Remy's big fish that he caught a little while ago, here's Remy's fish, here's mine. That's my PB right there. Yeah, pretty happy with that. Little cat. Yep. That one. Getting fish now.
Channel for the channel. Going. It's a pretty small one, guys. I'm coming back.
Yep. Decent cat. Not as big as the last one, but decent. Nice, babe, look. No spots on this one. Nice, babe.
Nice. Solid.
Woo! Ow.
Tyler's grinding on that bass bite right now. Look, give you a better view. This guy doing the crazy stuff.
How's it going? We're officially on the evening bite. Sam's got a couple taps already. She's gotten one, I've gotten one. Remy's gotten a little bit of action too. We've moved our tents over here. We're gonna set up poles all night, bells on them. So if we hear one go off, we can just pop out of our tent really quick and get one. Still searching for that big one, guys.
In the lead so far.
Sam's definitely in the lead so far with that really nice 3 or 4 pound catfish. Hoping, get a big bullhead, hoping maybe get a big channel, big smallmouth, big something. So hopefully we can get into that tonight with the night bite and the evening bite. So stay tuned, guys, and hopefully get some more fish for you. Sam's on, guys. Sam is on.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
That's a good one.
Look at Sam here, pulling in some good channels.
Yeah.
Too bad we can't eat any more of these guys.
Right, but got another good one.
Yeah, good stuff, babe.
Yeah.
Keep it up.
Thank you.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Tyler here right now. Remy's off in the distance, ready to go. Sam's getting ready. We were getting a really late start to the morning, kind of forgot to set our alarms and got up about an hour and a half later than we wanted to. We're just kind of all throwing things together right now. We're gonna be walking up the other side of the river now. Hoping to land some big ones for the rest of this morning. But yeah, guys, we're gonna get after it right now. We got a lot of hiking to do before it starts getting really hot. And well, I shouldn't say a lot of hiking. We just want to get moving before it starts blasting down on us. Because then we got to get back. We want to get out of here before it starts cooking us in the midday heat. It's supposed to be pretty hot today. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll see you over there.
Decent smallie, guys. A good one. Thicky. Yeah.
Remy over there catching that bass in that postcard setting.
That's a nice bass. That's a good bass, boys. Biggest one of the trip so far. Oh, I caught a minnow, T. A bass minnow. It lipped it. Yeah. Baby bass hit the Panther Martin. Lipped it. The treble. You believe that? Get back, get bigger. Insane. Check this out, guys. I was walking around the bank, and there's a dying catfish right here. There's a dying channel. Poor guy's got like a rod on him. He's a goner.
All right, you guys. Got some big logs here in the water. See if there's any smallmouth hanging out under this. Just working the Texas rig around, drag and drop.
Listen to that drag, dog. T's on.
No. No, I'll have to manage. Jeez. I'm gonna run out of SD card before I get this fish in for sure. Cool, you're gonna have to be my cameraman for this fight. Jeez. Yeah, you're just gonna have to, film.
T's battling a beast right now, so we're pausing all fishing until then.
All right, you guys, I'm gonna have to land it this way here. Look at this cat, you guys. Look at this big channel. Oh, don't barb me. Oh, yeah. All right, you guys, walk this over here. I was giving it a lot of water along the way. Crazy thing is, when we walked these guys back for our keepers yesterday, all these guys were still alive and they were trying to swim off the stringer. Ooh. Yeah.
Nice.
Going for smallmouth and got that nice sized channel. So, Jono, big shout out to you, man.
Got it. Yep, little bass. Baby bass. The dragon fruit. Because it has the white instead of the cream. Oop, sorry. All right, there you go.
All right, you guys, amazing weekend. Got a lot of channel catfish, we got some bullheads, big handful of smallmouth bass, even got a round-tailed chub. So a lot of fun, a lot of quantity. A couple decent ones, nothing crazy though. Next time when we come back here, we're definitely gonna be searching for more big ones, but I can guarantee that they're in here. I mean, there's a lot of really prime water, a lot of deep pools, a lot of really awesome action. Lots of highlights too this weekend. Didn't do really any foraging, but we just really wanted to focus on fishing. Sam got her PB channel catfish.
Yeah.
I think I got my PB channel catfish too on that last one. So really fun times. But again, thank you Rio Blanco Water Conservancy District. Thank you Al, thank you Matt Casto. You guys are the best for letting us know about this secret spot.
Kudos to y'all.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. So guys, make sure you guys hit that like button, okay? Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button if you're new, and make sure you guys hit the bell so you guys know what we're doing for the rest of the summer, and then going into fall, and then going into winter. So until next time, guys, Team COFF signing out.
Bye.